Hello, I bought this Schick razor in the street supermarket. They are new. Let's open. They are new old stock. I don't think they made these anymore, unfortunately, because these are very good razors. They have an injector, Schick blade, with 3 blades. It's a platinum. Now, this is not a blade, it's a piece of metal, and just the razor is new. They all have this piece of metal. Now, I bought this in a Sunday market. It's a very cool. To change the blade, we put like this and swish, and that's it. Now, this is not a blade, like I said. But put this one here, use a blade. It's a single edge blade, Schick, brand new. It's very good. I advise to keep always the blade inside the razor. It's very easy to change the blade like this. Thanks for watching this video and have a good shaves.